Welcome guys to another video. Let me get in frame. I'm Nair and this is another chugging video. So this chugging, yeah, it's just like every other one, chugging without burping. It's a challenge. Go check out the playlist. And yeah. Today I am chugging the new Fanta, Dragon Fruit. I've had this before. This is not my first time trying it. This is my second time drinking it. But, yeah, and this has zero sugar. I don't know why the newer drinks, like, have zero sugar or something. But, yeah, I like this, and personally, I wouldn't care if this was a new soda, like a permanent flavor. I really like the Fanta flavors, but this would be a good addition. Dragon Fruit, don't know what Dragon Fruit is, but yeah. Skin to the chug. I don't know why I just pointed with my pinky at you. Guess I do that sometimes for some reason. In case it's gonna explode. Okay, it shouldn't. Okay. I did do the orange Fanta, I think. I did the Sun Kiss and Fanta, and I have completed the Fanta. Orange Fanta, but can I do the Dragon Fruit? Let's see. This is extremely cold. This has been in my fridge for like 3 days. Because I did a different chug, which I have the same shirt on, I know. But a different chug on a different drink, which will probably come out before this one. But, yeah. Okay. I like this, but I don't know, like, it's good, but it's like super sweet. It's like, super like sweet tasting. I wonder if this is truly 100% natural flavors, because I do not know what a dragon fruit is. Maybe I should look it up. Stupid me, not looking up things I don't know. Ah, bro. This is the only thing. Like, if I'm chugging this and I can burp, this would be such an easier and probably quicker video, because I don't have to not burp and whatever. It'd be so much easier, man. Honestly. I guess Dragon Fruit is pink too. That's why the wrapping is. Oh god. Maybe I should take the wrapping off so you can just see where I'm at. Oh. 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 Ooh. Bro, what? Bro. I'm gonna burp, bro. I'm gonna burp. I'm probably not gonna win this one. I'm like right here. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. I'm gonna get this one. Oh. I can't puke like my other one. There was one chug I actually puked, And I got my computer, I got my ring light, there's other stuff here. Can't do that, bro. So I'm trying to keep it slow. So don't do that. So I don't do that. Bro, I wish I could just like be done and consider this whatever, but I have to do the whole thing without burping. And by the way, I do suffer after these videos because my stomach still hurt until I burp. I can burp after the video. That's not losing. It's when I'm recording. I feel one. I feel one like right in my throat. Seeing if my tongue change colors. Oh. God dang. I'm trying to finish it. I'm not faking this. I'm gonna get this all the way done. Oh. I can't do this. I can't. I feel like I'm gonna throw up. Oh, I'm done. I'm calling this one off. Oh, my stomach. I'm done. I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, subscribe, turn notifications on, share at least one friend, comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, I just burped. I honestly don't care. I need to burp right now. My stomach feels like it's gonna explode. Oh. Okay. I failed. Oh, excuse me. I probably could have finished it if I really wanted to, but oh. I'll see you guys next video. Peace.